Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin now. Back up essential data to Google or Oneplus Cloud so nothing is lost. Once backed up, make sure the phone has at least 50% battery and remove any SD card and external accessories. Next, sign out of non-critical accounts if possible, but retain your Google account for factory reset protection details. You'll need those credentials after the reset. Now power off and prepare to enter recovery mode. This is where the actual reset starts, and timing matters. You'll enter recovery mode by holding power plus volume down or up on some models. Once in recovery, use the volume keys to navigate and the power button to select. Choose wipe data/factory reset and confirm. You may need to confirm a second time to prevent accidental erasure. The phone will clear user data, cache, and settings. This removes your accounts and apps. After the process completes, select Reboot System now so the device can restart with factory defaults. You'll finish by completing the initial setup prompts and signing into your Google or Oneplus account if factory reset protection triggers. If you changed the account password recently, make sure you either use the old credentials or wait 72 hours for the lock to clear. If the phone gets stuck in a boot loop, try another wipe of cache and data from recovery or reflash the official firmware with Oneplus tools as a last resort. If problems persist, contact Oneplus support with your device details.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.